All right, this is the continuation of the chapter 5, which is we are learning about distinct ordered by limit and like keywords of structured query language. By the way, my name is Ugochukwu Nwosu, aka Ugo the Analyst. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share this page so that you encourage me to do more, like I said earlier. Now we looked at distance, it helps to remove duplication. We've done a lot of that, but we'll repeat it again in this video. We also looked at order by, which is used to arrange table either in ascending or descending order. And I said by default, order by arranges table in ascending order. Then for you to make it arrange table in descending order, you need to add the DSC code that is descending to make it work in descending order. Now we looked at limits. We'll still look at all these things again. And we said it helps us to state the number of records of a particular thing we are looking for. Probably we want to know the number of students that are from Lagos, and it will give us the exact number. That's for limits. Then like helps us, it's just like it's similar to where clause, but in helps you do some fuzzy match. You know, the where clause helps you do just match, but just like I will show you some of examples when we go to the SQL workbench. And but the like helps you do a fuzzy match such that you probably want to look for students whose name or whose first name starts with, for example, Ade, Adeniyi, Adeola, and so on. Then we will look at those in between. Probably you're looking at for a date, those who registered their courses enrollment dates in March, probably '03 is March. Then we'll look at things that ends, of course, words that ends with a particular word. For example, Adebi, B, Ogun B. You understand? They ended with B, right? So, like I said, this video is uh, partly for Nigerians because the content in it are content you see in Nigeria. Sorry, we're using names popularly known in Nigeria. So the audience is for Nigerians and probably Ghanaians. So let's quickly dive into our SQL workbench and start today. This is where we stopped the last time, where we tried to look at the like. So right now we have all this. Let's assume we want to look for students who enrolled in March. We want to look for students who enrolled in March. We can put this way. Um, okay, put it this way. Okay, let's start with the middle. Take our students. Okay. Um, from the statement, it says select student first name, student last name, student enrollment date from students where where students where students where enrollment, because we are looking for enrollment where enrollment dates. Okay, this is how we put it. Where enrollment date, then you now put like where enrollment date like. Put this because the character we're looking for. Then we're going to put the percentage sign. That means anything can be in front. Then we'll follow this convention. Follow this convention, and let's say O. Okay, only one O3. Oh, double O3s. O3, O3. Maybe you're just looking for those who enrolled in March this year. So who enrolled this month? This is March. By the way, today's date is the 7th day of March in the year of our Lord 2024. With this record is being made today. So we are looking at those dates and the 1st of March and those registered on the 3rd of March. So let's say O3 and we end it with the same percentage and end with this, then we do this. Now let's see what happens. It's going to select for us Ogunyemi Adeleke and Udeme Udom, whose date is a match. Let's see what happens. Ula, you can see, like I said, it's selected Ogunyemi Adeleke and Udeme Udom. Now, let me just cut this because no time to retype these codes. Again, let's say we see all the, I'm trying to see what else we'll do with our code. Select all from students so that we can see the names of each of the fields in the students table of data analyst database. Okay, this time around, we want to see students whose first name started with Kim. Okay, then we'll look at students. Is there any funny? Okay, Adeni, no. I wish we had. Okay, we'll use that. We're just going to use Ni for the last name, and we use Chim for this. Okay, we can also use any only. Okay, we have Onye. Okay, any Ogun somewhere. Okay, Mo, yes, Mo have three. Yes, we're going to use, this is better. Let's use this, the last name field, to search for students whose name started with Mo. Yes, to start with students whose name started with Mo. Now we go back and probably we can get the whole table. Okay, let's use the whole table. Yeah, okay, select all from students. Um, where where students where student, we say we are using last name, student last name, okay, like, where's the last name, like, then we put mo, sorry, mo, mo, and then we'll put the percentage. The white card percentage is just empty, whatever that is following it ends there. This is just it. Now, we are intending to bring out this name, uh, this name, and this record. So Onyedika Nwokolo, Jimson Nwosu, and they will appear. And that is this. Fetching, fetching. Wow, like I said, the three came out. So that is for the beginning. Now let's look for those whose name ended with ni. Like I said, the same thing, you put your white card in front. That means anything can be in that front. Then we write put ni. For example, the Adeni and the knees that ended it. Okay, watch what happens. No record. Why? Because we are not meant to use that field. Actually, we are meant to use, okay, to be sure, cut this. We're meant to use what field where there's name. Okay, we're meant to use the middle name field. Meant to use the middle name field. So this will not be last name. So let's use middle name and do this. It will now work. It worked the earlier time, but there was no record for it. Wow. You can see Chimdima, Adeni, Ogunyemi, Adeni, the ones selected. So you can see how we can use the white card to get that. What of if we have things like percentage? Probably we have percentages in our number. How do we now do this? We have a percentage and we don't want the percentage to show. Now we are going to place a backslash in front of the white card percentage that makes so that it makes it read as a normal character. I'm going to place the white card at the back of the percentage so that will make it read a normal character. So to do this, we can quickly, we don't have a percentage field here, but we can, okay, edit one of the rows or add a row and put a percentage at the end of the name. Okay, let's just do that. Let's just quickly do that and we'll just quickly have inserts. fields inside. So we just see, oh, it's going to be lengthy, going to be very, very lengthy. I'm trying to see if there is something with percentage here so that we can explain this. Okay, let me update a, I'll just update a field. I think it's better update a field and put a percentage instead of trying to write a full code to give us a percentage. So we quickly update a field or alter a field so that we can have names. Okay, let's use this to say update, update, good, students, update students, then set, when we look for set, good. Let me use a name. Okay, okay. Anything, okay. Let's assume a name, any of the name. Set student, student middle name. Because let me just, I can figure with that middle name. Set middle name as okay. Set middle name as I'm going to use row 5. So I want to change this Adeni and put a percentage at the end of the middle name. So set middle name Adeni with the percentage at the end as a name and good. Then we do what? For you said it for which record where student ID, where student ID is equals to set 5. You can see it from here where student ID is 5. So just do this and see what happens. We edit this. Wow. Okay. Yeah, you can see one row affected, one row match, and no warnings. That means when we try to display, let me cut this because we'll be missing it. When we try to display the entire row, select all from students. We'll find out that the row 5 will have a percentage in it. The row 5, yeah, let's look at row 5. Have you seen it? There's a percentage here right now. But I want to change this to Oguni because it will have been a better way of giving a different name from Adeni. So I can quickly go back and update the record to what the I said I needed it to be Oguni. Probably there was a mistake in the name Oguni. Yeah, okay. All right. Oguni. Okay, it's one word. Okay, Olani. Sorry, Olani is better because it's better. Yeah, let me say Olani. I have friends with that name better. Olani on row 5. So we do this and see what happens. It has affected it. Good. So we can go and see the entire row once more. Select all from students. You find out that row 5 will no longer be Adeni percentage, it's now going to be Olani. Have you seen it? Olani. All right, this is where we're going to stop for today. The next time we meet, we're going to look at aggregate functions. We're going to look at aggregate function because when we come to Python programming, we'll be doing a lot of mathematical functions and we need to count, we need to group by, we need to do sum, we need to do average, we need to do percentage, and so on. Thank you very much for watching. My name still remains Ugochukwu, A.K.A. Ugo the Analyst. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my videos. Thank you. Till we meet in the next video.